Okay, so you can take your scissor and you're just going to carefully cut. You can cut the baby hairs off if you want. Okay, so you can leave a little lace visible or you can take it right off. See that part, how straight it is? We want to make it a little uneven. So I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm going to start. You can do as much as you want. Okay, so now I feel like it's nice and uneven, but now you can see, as you can see, the black dots here. So we want to get rid of that. And you're going to put it on the wig head like this. Secure it. Take concealer. So you can take a little bit. That, see? So we're just dabbing, not hard, don't go crazy with it. This will make the part look so much more realistic. So it's really easy. See, now the knots look a little more lighter. Okay, so now it's time to put Charlie on. You ready? Let me do this. I like to go right here. I'm gonna look in the mirror. I love it. Okay, so wow, look at that. Okay, so this is what I love to do. I love to take a brush. I'm going to take my brow powder. As you can see, I use this very much. You can see this like this, right? And lightly, I'm actually going onto the lace a little bit more, like a little bit, you know, so that it blends in. Then I'm going to do the other side. See if I could do this like that. See? That's where the part is. It's so secure. It's gorgeous, right? I'm gonna show you the back. My hair is frizzy, so don't mind my hair. Yeah, I'm in love with it. Okay.